Hey Zach, so this is your website looking at it. It looks like you don't have too much content. The more content, the better. You only got 167 words. So you'd probably want to add more content to that page. Google loves content. You want to make sure it's rich with keywords organically. So the better, or you want original content, and then you want some keywords in there organically as well. You want to make sure you save these images. Let's see what you got them saved as. So you'd want this saved as a keyword as well. So you'd want like um, roof repair, uh, Athens, um, just so because Google can't, it doesn't see the images, but it sees what they're saved as. So you'd want them all saved as keywords. It'll help you, give you a little bit of an advantage when it comes to keywords. Search in roof repair Athens. First, there's ads here, and then there's ads here. These ones are yet to be certified by Google. They're supposed to be a little less spammy, but they're just ads. Then you got the GMB, and then you got organic ranking. Checking out this competitor. Yeah, he's got some content here. Let's see how much he's got. He's got 944. So that's a decent amount. So you'd probably want to get 1,500 or 2,000 content on your page. See what his images are saved as. Let's see if he does it right. He does not do it right. So that's an advantage you could have over him by saving your images properly. Another tool I like to use is Ahrefs. Tossing into Ahrefs. You got 17 UR, 0.6 DR, 33 backlinks, 15 referring domains, 24 organic keywords. Let's go see what your competitor has. He's got 27 UR, 6 DR, 390 backlinks, and 67 referring domains with 253 organic keywords. And then he gets 158 people a month. You get 24 people a month. Let's see what you get them from. I get them all Eastside roofing. So that's where you get the majority of your clicks, the traffic is people searching you. But roofing, you get about one every 4 months from Roofing Athens, Georgia. You're on the second page. The best you got is this second page, position 22. Let's see what this guy though. We can go in here and get this guy's backlinks. We can go grab not all backlinks are created equal. So you want high DR, high UR. You want them to be relevant to your industry. You don't want to go get like cake making websites. You want to get a web page that has roofing or construction or something relevant to your industry, linking back to you. You also don't want to get spammy ones. You don't want to get zeros or ones or single digits. You want to make sure you get good quality, high strength backlinks. The higher the number, the better. Then there's also a thing between no follow and do follow. These are all no follow. I'm trying to find you a do follow one. Here we go. This guy right here. Let's see. I don't even know if that was a good one to grab. Let's see, 91 and 13, so it's good with the DR. UR is a little low, but it's not terrible. Somewhere in here he's got a link back to his website. How did he do that? Athens. I don't know, somewhere in here there's a link back to his website. I'm not sure where it is. I don't necessarily see it. It must be actually right. Athens. I thought I was gonna see it. I thought it was gonna be like right here, but it's not. But somewhere in here there's the link back. It could possibly be Athens roofing. I don't. Maybe Georgia. I don't know why I can't find it. But you could try to figure out how to get it. It looks like it's just a directory, so you could add yourself to the directory and get it. Other ways you could get them. You could do blogs, guest posts, blog commenting, sponsors, news articles around about you, have them linked back to you. And anything that will link back to you. You want to again make sure it's not spam, and you want to make sure it's relevant to your industry. Let's check out what this guy's ranking for. Let's see. Athens Roofing has a 90 volume for that, and it's a 3 KD, so it's super easy to rank for. He's number one on it. He gets about a third of it, which is average. So you could come in here and grab that one, and you could potentially get 29 people a month to your website. Roofing Athens GA, 150 people search that. A little bit harder. 13's a little more difficult to rank for. It's going to take longer, but you could go after that one and get that one, as well as, let's see, metal roofing. That one's 20 volume, 4 KD. So you can go after these, get these lower KD ones faster, and then keep working on getting these ones that's going to take a little bit longer to get. Yeah, we can come and just keep looking at these and see what one's the best. Make sure you put when you find one, make sure you put the keyword on your website, either through images or in your content organically. But gutter cleaning, Athens, Georgia, that's a 0 KD, 70 people. So if you do gutter cleaning, that would be a good one to go for. But what else is there? Yeah, you can just go through, check out all these, go check other competitors, find all the ones we want, check local cities, surrounding cities, and all the areas that you work on, and all the different things that you do, and get those keywords on your website. The next thing would be the GMB. It's free to do, so if you don't have it set up, it's just setting it up. You just got to verify yourself with Google. They'll send you a postcard. Just verify the address. Then you want to make sure you fill out 100%. You don't want to skip steps. Then you want photos of the content. You want to upload as many photos as you can. Make sure you have them saved with keywords. And then citations. Grabbing this guy. Citations are just directories. This guy's got 41 of them. You can come in here and grab them. Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB, Yahoo, Facebook, MapQuest. Basically anything that you can get your name. You want to make sure the name's the same as on eGMB. You want to make sure the phone number is the same. And then you want to make sure the location's the same. And then you can get yourself a citation, start ranking the GMB. Hopefully that was helpful. If you want, we can set up a phone call or a Facebook or a video call and talk more. If not, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.